Every time I tried logging my trades in Excel, I ended up creating some Frankenstein monster. Sure, it tracked numbers, but it was nowhere near the kind of system that traders pulling 30 grand a month actually use. And there's one tiny feature I built into my system that completely flipped how I trade. Then I had a moment of clarity. Tracking P&L? That's only 20% of the game. I wanted a knowledge base. I wanted to see exactly which setups made me money and which just looked pretty until they blew up my account. Because for me, trading isn't random shots in the dark. It's about building a system that keeps me evolving without burning thousands testing the same ideas again and again. So in this video, I'll show you how I built a trading knowledge base in Notion that actually lets me grow as a trader, instead of forgetting the lessons I paid for. Stick around, because once you see that feature, you'll never want to trade blind again. Most traders don't even realize how much clarity they're missing, but once you see this in action, you can't unsee it. Let's walk through the whole thing. First, the trade log. This is where everything goes. Entries, exits, screenshots, emotions, notes, outcome, all in one view. But the secret's not in just tracking. It's in how you review, tag, and analyze over time. Each trade is linked to a setup, a strategy, and a time frame. That means later, you can filter everything. Only longs, only breakouts, only Monday trades with coffee in hand. It's all there. You'd be surprised how fast patterns show up when your brain stops guessing. Next, the Setups Hub. This is where the journal turns into a system. Each setup you trade has a dedicated page with criteria, past trades, performance stats, screenshots, and notes. This turns your edge into a living thing. You're not just hoping it works, you're measuring if it does. Oh, and the P&L dashboard? Yeah, it updates automatically. No more calculating totals like it's 2009. Just open the dashboard and feel the truth hit you. Look, most traders keep trading blind. They don't know what's working. They're emotionally reactive, inconsistent, frustrated. But when you have this system in place, you start to see the game. You make better decisions. You track less and learn more. You stop repeating mistakes. And that's why I built this. Not to journal, to win. And if you want this full setup, it's available below. I use it every day. You'll get instant access.